Expanding logs, examples 5 and 6. In example 5, the first thing I notice here is this exponent of 2, so I'm going to use the power property to bring that down up front. 2ln 5p cubed q to the 4th. Now, all of these numbers, 5, p, and q, those are all multiplied to each other, so I can use the product property and expand them all, but I have to make sure that I put the 2 in front of every term. So this would become 2 ln 5 plus 2 ln p cubed plus 2 ln q4. Now, in order to take care of the exponent of the 3 and 4, I would need to use the power property again. So I would bring down the 2 ln 5. 2 times 3 is 6 ln p plus 2 times 4 is 8 ln q. And that is all I can do to expand that logarithm. Now let's take a look at the next example. So this next example, we have log base 2 of the cube root of x over x squared plus x. We have this little division symbol here, so I know I can use the quotient property and separate those terms. So this would become log base 2 of the cube root of x minus log base 2 x squared plus x. Now I can realize that the cube root of x is the same thing as x to the 1/3. So I can use the power property to bring that out front. 1/3 log base 2x minus log base 2, and then I can see here that x squared plus x, I can factor an x out of that. X times x plus 1. And I can actually use the product property to expand that even further. So I could write this as 1/3 log base 2x minus log base 2x plus log base 2x plus 1. And I believe that is all I can do to expand that logarithm.